Children, the next important substance that we are going to study is rubber. You know, rubber is also a very useful thing like glass. In our daily life, we use many articles made from the rubber. So, this rubber is of two types, natural and artificial. Natural rubber is obtained from rubber tree. You know that rubber tree is seen in abundance in Brazil, and in India you will find the maximum production of rubber is in Kerala. So how it is obtained and what it is called? This natural rubber obtained from the rubber tree, it is obtained from the gum or the sap of the tree. Sap of the tree, it is also called as a latex. It is whitish in color and have a particular smell. You must be knowing, if you had visited the Kerala, the people staying therein are planting the rubber trees just as they are earning. Herein you know that farmers do the agriculture of wheat, then jawar, cotton, just like that. Therein the farmers take care of the rubber plant and they do their earning from the latex of the plant. See herein in the picture you are finding the rubber tree. Okay, they give a scratch on the bark of the rubber tree, they pierce inside it and they pierce a tap inside it. Okay, and the liquid oozes out from the stem, from the inner part of the stem. They collect in the bucket is there, you are finding through the tap, they keep the tap open and through the tap they collect the rubber sap, we can say, or the latex in the bucket. Okay, so in this way the production of natural rubber, that is the latex, goes on. So in this way in their field they have number of rubber trees. So they pierce the tap in all those trees, they keep a bucket and they collect the more sap from it. It is called as the latex, a whitish substance. Okay. Once the scientist Charles Goodyear, what happens? He spilled the mixture of rubber and sulfur on a burning stone. When he spilled it, he found that the stove was extinguished. Then he noticed that rubber has become harder and is less elastic. Okay. He was amazed by just observing that how this change has taken place. He repeated the experiment and then he found one process. That process is called as vulcanization. From that he came to know that from natural rubber, artificial rubber can also be made. So during this process what happens? Rubber is heated with the sulfur. Okay. Why? To give it a hardness. When rubber is heated with sulfur for 3 to 4 hours, it gives hardness to the rubber. And this process is called as a vulcanization. Okay, that whitish liquid latex is converted into the hard rubber by adding the sulfur and heating it. The proportion of sulfur in the mixture changes according to the article what we are going to make. Eraser, rubber ball, toys, they have a varying proportion of sulfur. We can add the amount of sulfur according to our need. In rubber bands, the proportion of sulfur is very small because we need it to be the elastic. Instead of strong or hardness, we need their more elasticity. That's why sulfur is added in very less amount. So in hard tough tires the amount of sulfur is more. So according to the need amount of sulfur is added. In this way sulfur is made that when it is heated with the sulfur, again different molders are used, and in that molder the liquid rubber along with the sulfur after heating, after vulcanization process, it is poured there and the different articles are made from the rubber. That formation of artificial rubber is also the irreversible process. Are you clear? See the rubber tree, a tap, okay, and a bucket which is containing the whitish liquid that is called as a latex or the sap. When sulfur is added, there I am again repeating, when sulfur is added and heated for 3 to 4 hours, the artificial rubber is obtained. Okay, this process is called as vulcanization. It is poured in the different molders to make the different articles. See here the eraser, ball, toys, the tires. In this process, whatever the articles we are making, accordingly the proportion of sulfur changes. Are you clear? Thank you. Once again I want to tell that for making rubber also I had given you the link. So don't open the link here, it will not open. You go through the Google, just write all these HTTPS, all these things you write, you will get the link for the formation of rubber, how rubber is made. Go through it, your concept will get clear. Okay, thank you.